Hello all, welcome back for another video, service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset the Renault Clio. It's a 2014 model and we did an oil change for this car, and I'm going to show you how to service reset this manually. As you can see, there are indicators. This is one of them, and here it says the service is due. It's in Dutch language because it's a Dutch customer, and I'm going to show you how to get this off and this off manually. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Feel free to comment in the comment area. Any question, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, the first step is we have to turn the ignition or press the ignition on. It's off. Press. All the lights are on. That's an indicator of that the ignition is turned on. Then we use the right thumbstick over here. There are two buttons, the upper one and the bottom one. We're gonna use the bottom one to go through the menu and find the service intervals. That's this one. Once you are there, keep pressing the bottom one till the service interval indicator changes to this. Once it changes to this, you're gonna use the up one now. Press that and keep pressing that till it blinks. Wait for it, and let go. So when the blinking stops, you can let go. Okay, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Thank you. See you next time with another video on another day. Thank you. Bye bye.